dropped frames, missed frames, and even skipped frames. Today we're going to talk about the solution on how to not do those things and keep that stream nice and crisp. Let's get into it. Before we get into this video, I just want to say thank you for stopping by. My name is Cyrus, and I'm here to improve the streaming experience not only for you, but also for your viewers. If you enjoy this content and want to see more streaming tutorials like this, consider leaving a like because it really helps out the video and this channel, and also consider subscribing so you make sure you get notifications for these videos. Also, check me out on Twitch. I stream there 3 days a week, and even check out my gaming channel here on YouTube. The link for those will be in the description. Also, come join the Darkness Discord. Would love for you to be a part of that community. With that out of the way, let's talk about how to solve your dropped, missed, and skipped frames with these simple solutions. Tip number one is actually called Twitch Test, and this program designed to use your stream key that you would get from your Twitch dashboard and be able to ping all of the Twitch servers based upon whatever duration you want and see what the quality is as well as the latency to each of those servers so that you can get a stable connection. Sometimes as streamers we might leave it on auto and it grab a server that might even create lag and cause some of those missed, dropped, encoding frames, whatever the case. So make sure you go ahead and check this and look to see if you can find a server with the highest quality possible. I personally recommend anything over 95 quality, or at least the highest that you possibly can get. Of the ones with the highest quality, choose the one with the lowest latency and make sure you choose that manually in OBS or Streamlabs OBS under Settings, Stream, and then your region. Tip number two is to actually stay in Streamlabs OBS or OBS settings and go down to advanced and scroll down to the networking section and check the box dynamically change the bitrate due to network congestion. I've noticed that this really helps out with dropped frames. It might add a little bit of latency to your stream, but would you rather have a little bit more latency with less dropped frames or a lot of frames dropped and being able to connect to your audience quicker? I think it's a good trade-off. Really consider checking this box. Number three is Twitch Inspector. This is a great website that allows you to see the health of your stream and to see what your problems are. All you need to do is go to the website, sign in with your Twitch, and click Run a Live Stream. Follow all of the instructions there, and it'll tell you to put at the end of your stream key in your program, bandwidth test equals true. This will allow you to go live without notifying any of your audience that you went live and really let you see what the stream health is by seeing all of the dips, what your ping is, and all the things from Twitch's side, and you can compare those things as you choose different regions. As a side note, in some of your streaming platforms, especially OBS, or at least that's the one I've tested, you can just click Enable Bandwidth Test Mode under the stream setting, and it will actually go ahead and put this on there for you without having to add it to your stream key. All right, number four probably needs its own dedicated video, so I'll probably do one after this. Drop down in the comments and let me know if any of these are helping you, and tell me, do you want a dedicated video talking about bitrate as well as video resolution suggestions for Twitch? Now, Twitch does supply recommendations for what they think you should match your bitrate to the resolution you want to stream, but I want to stress this. If you're a starting streamer or an affiliate, you don't always get transcoding, and this is where your stream can actually be changed to a different quality depending on what your viewers' bitrate is on their end and what their download speed is. You could be streaming 1080-60 at 6K bitrate, but your viewer is only able to view it at a much lower bitrate, and you didn't get transcoding to be able to adjust that. They're going to see that on their end and assume that it's your stream that has a problem, when in reality it's their download speed. So you really need to be judging on what resolution and bitrate you're doing. What do I recommend? Start off streaming 720p 30 frames per second at a maximum of 3000 bitrate. If you feel like you can bump that to 60 frames per second for smooth shooting games and fast-paced games, move it to 60 frames per second, and I would say the max you should go is around 3500 bitrate. If you feel like you need to go into the 1080 land, then I would suggest you do 1080p 30 frames per second, 4500 to 6000 bitrate. And 1080p 60 frames, as much as people want to stream that, it just does not have enough bitrate offered through Twitch to get a really clear picture. Roast me in the comments, tell me everyone does it. It's just not feasible. Again, tell me in the comments and I'll talk specifically about this topic and how each of these affect your stream quality. And number 5 is actually talking about the quality of your stream. Some people are using X264, NVENC, AMF, and a whole bunch of different encoders on how to create the quality of their stream. Consider backing down one of your settings on whichever one you're choosing, either X264, go to a faster preset, and I don't mean the faster preset, I mean go to one that's maybe a level higher. So if you're on fast, go to faster. If you're on NVENC or AMF, maybe change it down from max performance or max quality down to quality, or even going towards the performance side so that it doesn't put as much stress on your encoder and won't have any of those encoding frames dropped. And that's it, guys. If you have any questions, again, jump in the comments, jump in Discord. We would love to be able to connect with you over there. We have a help section. Ping me over there. I would love to be able to connect with you. And I think that'll bring us to the end of the video. I'm Cyrus, and welcome to the darkness. We'll catch you next time.